Did you know you'll probably yawn at least 3 times watching this video? Here's why. First, yawning actually cools your brain down. It works like a built-in cooling fan, pulling in air to lower your brain's temperature. Second, forget everything you learned about yawning meaning you need more oxygen. That theory has been completely debunked by science. And third, here's the wild part. Contagious yawning is directly tied to empathy. About 60% of people catch a yawn just by seeing one. And get this, these people with low empathy, like sociopaths, almost never catch yawns. So next time you yawn at someone, it actually means you care. Follow for more mind-blowing facts.